Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about some new stories. As you know, I am in library and second time. I also said you should come, but you didn't come. You should come. It's fun in here. Reading, do everything. Reading books. Except for playing, you can just read books here. Today I come and I was saying which type of story should I read. So I think that I should read about some kids books. It's of kids. It's really fun because there is entertainment and some funny things happen in it. But which books today I read, but it wasn't fun inside, but it was a lesson inside. So first of all I read this. It was named Aladdin and its Chirag. The download pound, but it's in Urdu, so I'm going to just translate in English. First, it was happened that one day Aladdin go for his cutting the woods and he was really poor. So then really a magician came and he said that I'm giving you this thing. You have to protect everyone. Not protect everyone, just yourself. Or if you want to protect, you could. And inside there, no one know. Inside there was a ghost. A good ghost, not a bad one. A good ghost was inside there. First, it was funny that he said that I am your mom, like this. He said that I am your relative. But he said that how do I know? He said that you when I was small, you were just gone. I wasn't here, your family just left to me. So now I have find you. He was just lying. Then there was a cave. He said that you have to go inside him. There's many of the jewelries, gold, diamonds, many things are there, and there is something also. You have just kept it and give it to me. It was Chirag. I don't know what is English we say, but it was Chirag. This is the ghost. Then he said to that magician that get me out. After taking everything, he said first give me the Chirag. But he said no, first get me out. Then he just magician closed him inside it. Man, just leave him there, trapped. He was trapped. Then he reminded that the magician said if you touch the ring button, something will come out. When he touched the ring button, a ghost come out. And he said yes, what I could do for you. He said that first you were just being afraid what was going to happen. Then he said that first get me out of there and get me home. Then he get home, then he see mother. His mother was very happy that he have returned home safely. Then he said to that, after that then he just do the Chirag. Then he has a shape like that so that it will come out. When he do that, the other ghost come out. There were two ghosts. One was in his ring and second was in a Chirag. So when the Chirag one come out and he said that give me some really good fruits and really rare clothes. Then he gave him food and rare clothes and they were really happy. He said that now make a tomb for me. A really big tomb. A tomb and a castle. He made a castle and tomb for them. And he said that give me some jewelry, diamonds, give me things which rich persons have. So when he give them things, he really become a really rich. After he did that, when he become rich, he just go and said that everyone that come here, come to my place. I have really much money. I'm gonna give you something to eat, like a dawat. When I was going to someone invited me. They invite all of them. Then when everyone come here, the king and its girl come here. He like his girl. That boy when he sees like the girl, then he said that I want to get married. After when they were married, then that girl don't know. The magician come at he changed everything. He have nothing and then he come to their house. The girl don't know who was that. He said that I will give you a new Chirag, give me that old Chirag. Then that girl give the ghost one Chirag to that magician and take the new Chirag. But he don't know what happened. Then suddenly he get out the ghost and said that take this home and everything and everyone who are living inside it to a place where no one could come. Then when he see that he come to home, they were gone. After when the Aladdin come to man, he see that where's my house? There wasn't his tomb and castle. No one was here. Then he touched the ring button, and again the ghost come out, and he said to ghost, take me where are my family and everyone. Then he go there at night. When he see that, no at night, but was a movie, he see that everyone were, the ghost was sleeping. No, ghost was not. The person was sleeping. The magician, he was sleeping, and then other were just waked up. Then when he totally slept, he was just trying to sleep. When he slept, then Aladdin just go inside, take the chirag and just make the ghost come out. When the ghost come out, he again say, take everyone into my home and give this magician a really bad injury, and take him where no one could come. Then he take to there. When the magician wake up, he see that I have gone somewhere. Until he wake, everyone were gone, so he could do nothing. After that, then they get home, everyone live happily. Okay, this one is done. Now second one, it's very easy. This one, not Aladdin, Ali Baba and 40 thieves. In this story, it happened that this is the Ali Baba. So now all my Kamuka friends, you should come here. Look, as you seeing these stories, this is a place of knowledge. Look, these books, they are fun here. Reading is a fun. You are thinking, no, we could retire. No, this is a fun here. So it's time. I am late. So this one story I will just read in next Saturday, and one more story I will read for you. So see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.